Hey guys! So I have a special guest today. This is
Mr. Thomas.
and Mrs. Thomas. Yay! Adrian's in another video. So you probably can already tell this special announcement video is always whenever someone puts this up, they always think one or two things. Probably pregnant or getting married or something.
Yeah. We got the married thing covered already.
So now, yay! Baby Thomas is coming. So we want to let you guys know we're so excited. We were just told the family this last weekend, so we had to tell them first. You know, they might be a little upset if they heard from YouTube. So September 2018, we have our little baby on the way. So are you excited, hon?
Yeah, I'm super excited. Super excited. We actually did the gender reveal.
Yeah, we did all that, and you're not going to know yet until I upload that video. So we haven't done much yet to prepare.
Almost nothing.
Like zero. Yeah. So you're going to follow our journey of getting everything together. I filmed like bump dates already, like from the first trimester recap up to this 18 weeks. So I'm gonna hurry up and upload them like in bulk so we can catch up, and then maybe with us to like shopping for stuff or, you know, setting up the nursery. So we already have some ideas, kinda, not really.
Are you gonna solicit name suggestions from your?
Oh yeah, so tell them about what you think about this name situation.
I would like to get a good idea about what we're gonna name it, but
yeah, you could put girl and boy in because you don't know what it's gonna be.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, maybe we should wait to talk about that till the next episode.
Okay, but if you do have names that you just love, definitely leave some recommendations. Who knows? We could name the baby and we'll give you a shout out.
Yeah.
But he's like, he keeps saying, "Oh, your mama doesn't want to name you." I'm like,
yes.
That's a lot of work and like
a lot of pressure.
It
apparently.
is, because like I grew up with a very hard, long name, and I don't want to do that to my child, but I still want them to have a unique name, but something that's easy to pronounce. If anybody understands what it was like growing up with a really ethnic, hard name, you'll understand. So it'll be Baby Thomas for now, and yay!
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So after this video, you'll see a whole bunch of uploads to catch you guys up. And in the updates, I'll have like pictures of sonograms. We've already had like 2 sonograms already. We have another one coming up for the 20-week in like 2 weeks. And that's going to be a big one.
Yeah. I wish we could show them the video where it was dancing around. And
yeah, like in the video, the baby's like this.
It's definitely her child because she loves to dance, and the baby was literally doing flips and jumping around like crazy. I almost cried, actually, yeah.
Did you? Aww.
Yeah,
I think I cheered up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that. Sorry for being IMIA. I'm like, now that second trimester, I feel much better and I'm much more productive. So you'll see a lot of new videos. And if you have any like requests, like you want to see stuff, let us know. Oh, we'll do like maternity pictures. So maybe we'll bring you along for that. And I've done a couple of like pregnancy related videos, like packing for, I just went on a vacation. Oh, baby moon. He's like, what is all this stuff that everybody comes up with?
Yeah, I feel like a lot of these things are made up, like baby moons, and the gender reveals are, you know, kind of new, but push gifts, what is that?
So if you think that baby mama deserves a push gift for all this work, which I'm not asking for anything extravagant here. I don't know, maybe...
Wink, wink.
I don't know, I have to think about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're excited. So anyways, we just wanted to let you guys know. So stay tuned for a lot more. And hopefully this guy will be back for some more videos. He does not have too many because he's camera shy.
A little bit.
So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my blog, makeupbyrenren.com, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at makeupbyrenren, because I'll also be posting on there as well. And if you follow me on my personal Facebook page, you probably already know everything, because it's already up, the gender and everything. But if you haven't, wait and see. Everything's coming soon.
Yeah, the gender reveal was pretty cool.
Yeah, we got that on video.
Yeah.
And pictures, so we had a professional photographer there. So, yeah, excited. So please join us on this journey, just like how when we had the wedding journey. Join us on the baby journey, and Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!